سٹیزن فاؤنڈیشن یوکے کے زیر اہتمام لندن میں ایک افطار ڈنر کا اہتمام کیا گیا، جس میں لندن بھر سے سیاسی، سماجی، کاروباری افراد سمیت کمیونٹی کی ایک کثیر تعداد نے شرکت کی۔ اس چیرٹی ڈنر کا مقصد پسماندہ علاقوں میں بچوں کی تعلیم کے لیے فنڈ ریزنگ کرنا تھا۔ مزید تفصیلات تحریم نور کی اس رپورٹ میں۔
Assalamualaikum, I'm Tahreem Noor. I'm here at a TCF Iftar for the Citizens Foundation at Royal Mahal. And we are at a fundraiser which is not only raising awareness for TCF and all the causes that they support, but also to bring the community together and just celebrate Ramadan. So we're going to be speaking to two lovely ladies here who are going to talk to us about TCF and their roles within TCF.
Oh, I'm Marion. I'm Frial.
Okay, Marion, tell me a little bit about what you're doing with TCF and why.
So we got to know about TCF through a family friend who told us about the incredible work that the charity does. And so we are kind of general volunteers. We come to events like this, like community iftars, to talk about TCF and promote the good work that they do. A lot of our work is around building awareness for the charity because a lot of people don't know about TCF. And to get that momentum and traction for people to actually fundraise and give charity, then they need to know the work that they're doing. And TCF is an amazing organization, and they help so many impoverished children in Pakistan to receive an education. And that's why we continue to do what we do and fundraise in these sort of community events where we can get people together and educate them about the work TCF does.
MashaAllah, that's amazing. So I believe you both visited a school in Pakistan, which is phenomenal. Can you tell me a little bit about what it was like and your whole entire experience there?
Yeah, so the area so it was in Lahore, and the area that the school was in was very much like a slum area, a lot of dirt around, a lot of children of school age not being able to attend these schools. But the site of the school itself was incredible. We went through these gates, and if you've seen pictures of them, the school was state of the art, so clean. The head teacher there has been working there for 20 years. She was really hesitant to take on the role when she was first told about the school and where it was located, because she had to uproot her whole family for it. But she's been working there now since 2000. She works with the community, with the parents, which is so important, because it's not just the children who are trying to help in these areas. It's the entire community. It's helping the parents be able to take care of their kids as well. Also, which is amazing, TCF has created like a water filtration site inside the school premises, which means that the entire area, the community of people, has access to clean and fresh water. There's just taps around that people can access, which is incredible, which again just all goes to show that the work TCF is doing is not just a matter of sending your son or daughter to school. It's about uplifting an entire community, and that's why we're so passionate about sort of events like this.
मेरा नाम है सानिया सूफ़ी, मैं हूँ CEO सिटीजन्स फाउंडेशन यूके की। TCF यूके रजिस्टर्ड चैरिटी है। हमारा पर्पस है फंड्स और अवेयरनेस रेज करना TCF पाकिस्तान के लिए। TCF पाकिस्तान में इज़ द लीडिंग एजुकेशन चैरिटी। TCF was founded in 1995. 27 years later, अब हमारे पास 1833 schools हैं। 280,000 बच्चे हैं हमारे स्कूल में। 50% जो हैं वो गर्ल्स हैं। We have been able to enroll so many girls because we hire only female teachers.
हम 27 years से पाकिस्तान भर में एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं अंडर प्रिविलेज बच्चों के लिए, स्लम एरियाज़ में, रूरल एरियाज़ में, जहाँ पे कोई और स्कूल्स मौजूद नहीं हैं। और आज की जो शाम है वो एक इफ्तार डिनर ऑर्गेनाइज़ की थी हमारे साउथ लंदन के लीडर्स जो हैं फ़रा और ताहिर ने, और माशाल्लाह से 150 गेस्ट्स हमारे आज मौजूद हैं जो अपनी ज़कात दे रहे हैं, सदका दे रहे हैं अंडर प्रिविलेज बच्चों के लिए।
Thank you so much for shining light on such an important cause. I think TCF is really amazing just in their scale, having 1833 schools across the country. It's extremely diverse, and they teach us tolerance and respect of other faiths, and just living in harmony, and that's a big part of the curriculum. And I think the cause and the mission is just obviously it's bigger than the country itself, and yeah, very very fortunate to be part of the mission.
So for me, it's just when I realize the privilege I've been given through my education, and I think about the fact that there are others who don't have that same privilege as me, I want to give my time to them. I want to give back, and it's a blessing from Allah. And if I can help them, those children in Pakistan, gain an education just like me, why shouldn't I spend my time in such a rewarding place?
TCF साउथ लंदन चैप्टर हमने आज इफ्तार ऑर्गेनाइज़ की है यहाँ पे फंड रेजिंग और अवेयरनेस के लिए TCF के बारे में, और हमें बहुत खुशी है यहाँ पे कि लोगों को हम बता रहे हैं TCF के काम के बारे में, जो ये स्कूल्स बनाते हैं बच्चों की के लिए, इनका फ्यूचर पूरा इनका बन जाता है TCF के स्कूल्स में जाके। और हम खुद भी इन स्कूल में जा चुके हैं। अभी पिछले दिसंबर हमने कराची में क़यूमाबाद स्कूल और कॉलेज विज़िट किया था, जहाँ पे बच्चे जो हैं तालीम हासिल कर रहे हैं। तो बहुत फ़ख्र है कि हम इस मूवमेंट का हिस्सा बन सकते।
We do our best to just through our friends and family to spread the awareness of TCF and the great work they are doing in Pakistan. There are many people who, when we mention TCF, they don't know about TCF, but TCF is such a well-established charity and they're doing such amazing work throughout Pakistan. When people hear about the cause, they're very willing to donate generously.
So, as we were saying, TCF is about sustainability, it's about educating, about rising Pakistan and making the difference to the generations so that they can continue to grow and, inshallah, in the long run, grow the country in itself.